Advanced Dashboard provides simple and intuitive features for traders to manage accounts and orders. By default, the monitor layout contains components for holdings, order status, historical orders, and alerts. Let's look a little closer at each section. First, holdings. The top section is where you select the account you'd like to view, as well as any filters for the symbol or group. The current cash balance and buying power are displayed under the account. You may choose to display holdings for an individual symbol, or you may group positions by their sector or underlying option symbol. This can be useful if you trade options. The section below shows profit and loss information such as total book cost. This is the initial total cost of the trades that is recorded in the system. Please note that the book cost is calculated to the best of our ability, but should not be used for the purpose of tax reporting. Total market value is the total market value of all positions in the account based off the last traded price of each investment. And total account value is the sum of total market value plus the cash balance. It also shows the real-time and streaming daily profit and loss for the current trading day, as well as unrealized profit and loss for all positions in the account. Individual account holdings are found directly in the section below. Here, you see real-time and streaming market information. If you only want to calculate the profit and loss for selected positions, click Custom Selection and choose the position you want included in the calculation. Click Custom Selection again to hide selection subtotals. To further sort the positions, click each of the column headers to display in ascending or descending order. You can also rearrange the columns by clicking and dragging. Click the Buy or Sell button to quickly bring up an order entry ticket. Note that a sell ticket will pre-fill the quantity field with all the shares you own to simplify the order entry. Before sending an order, review the order details carefully to ensure it reflects your intentions. You can also access an Actions menu by clicking the circle icon to the left of each position symbol. This menu includes choices for buying or selling, creating an alert, and opening a new component with a corresponding symbol. For further customization, click the hamburger menu on the top left. You can adjust the font size, manage the column headings, optimize the column width, and even export the data to an Excel spreadsheet. The next component in the monitor layout is order status. Order status can display all orders, or filter to view ones that are open, filled, canceled, or placed today. You can also filter by account or symbol. Inline editing lets you quickly change an order on the fly directly within the status line without having to reopen the order ticket window. Modify order criteria like price or quantity with a single click in either field. The next component is historical orders. This section is used if you would like to look back at previous orders entered over the past 60 calendar days. You can filter by account, symbol, and date range to easily find your past trades. You can create a duplicate or reverse order with a single click. You can click a column header to display an ascending or descending orders. The last component we'll look at is alerts. The alerts component lets you create new alerts and manage existing ones. When creating a new alert, you will need to enter a symbol and then choose the criteria, condition, and value that will trigger the alert. You can set the alert to trigger once a day, or until it's disabled or deleted. You can disable or delete an alert manually, or you can use the expiry date feature to have the alert active up until a certain date. For added convenience, you can leave comments such as what actions to take if the alert is triggered. Now that you can create an alert, we'll show you how to manage them. First, you can use the search box to filter for alerts for a certain symbol. You can also sort the alerts by a column heading and move columns around by dragging. The Circular Action menu button provides trading actions and gives you the option to edit the alert, delete it, or open the symbol in another component. Bada bing! Now you can monitor your positions, orders, and alerts with real-time streaming data. You can also seize trading opportunities with one-click order entry and inline editing capabilities. For more information on advanced dashboards features, take a look at the Learn section on the platform.